Good morning, everyone. All right, this is going to be my last video for the ADU. I think we are complete. We got our final inspection and sign off last Friday. So I wanted to do a quick last little walkthrough just to show you how it is, how it's finished out. Obviously, here's the front shot, and so here we go. Let's just go in. We'll see how it is. As we move up, I put a Ring camera on. There's a lot of little bells and whistles we'll be talking about. So here we are in the main space. We could see that my HVAC is there with the remote on the wall. I put in a Ring alarm system. We'll see in a second. There's a motion detector in the corner. And we'll just slowly move around. Nice blinds on the wall. I got my August locks there on the door, smart locks, so that's pretty cool. Appliances that we talked about before. Sink and everything. Hopefully you notice the lighting's a little different. I changed the color temp on my LED lights. So they're a softer softer lighting. Here's my Ring alarm keypad. And my Ring alarm is up there. The Ring doorbell chime is right down there, plugged in. Let's keep going into, this is the bedroom. Nice blackout shades that we talked about before. And just, everything. Walk-in closet here. Let's get in there and look at that. Nice raw double shelf. Finished out. Underfloor access right there in the corner. And then of course in our bedroom we have our HVAC wall unit. That's remote there on the wall. And all the normal stuff there. That's the bedroom. Moving into the bathroom. We got our beautiful vanity. We got our mirror, light, normal toilet. Hey, we put up a shower curtain, so that's cool, and move that around. We put on, obviously our little fixtures for towels and toilet paper, towels. Behind the door here, another top bar. Oh, and I actually changed the door stops. So I put these, normal peg door stops, but I bought cool ones that kind of go with everything else. So they're just not the normal spring. So that's pretty cool. I did that on the 4 interior doors, or 4 doors that could do that. There's another door stop for the back door. Here's our utility space. We have the washer and dryer. And of course the heat pump water heater. And on the inside we have, our normal August lock on the back and everything. We'll quickly show you outside. So outside here, I don't know if anybody noticed, but when I had put this light fixture on before, it kind of sit off the wall, so I fixed that by recessing in the plate, chipping out a bunch of stucco, and putting the box in correctly so that looks right. And then out here, this has been like this for a while, but in order to get final, we had to put these little backflow preventers on the hose bib. So we did that, on this one and the one out front. But I guess I'll tell you one last little thing about the final inspection. Our inspector focused on the disposal and the dishwasher. And in our panel, there are these right here that are labeled, 6 and 8. One of the interpretations is that one, they have to both be on AFCI and GFCI breakers, and that they need to be next to each other and tied together. So here you could see they're next to each other, and there's actually this piece of plastic that ties them together. So if one trips, the other one trips too, and that's because the outlet that they're on, the top outlet is the disposal, and the bottom is the dishwasher. So the theory is if anybody needs to work on either of those, you want them both off at the same time. The kicker about this is that, a normal breaker, do I have a normal breaker in here? See, I don't have any normal breakers anymore. But these little 15 amp breakers, if they were a normal one, it would be one switch, and it'd be like 20 amps. And it would be right here. And I had actually 2 of those in for each of these because the AFCIs weren't working and we didn't know why initially. Anyways, one of those breakers is like $6 each. So it would have been like $12 for these 2 breakers. And putting in, this AFCI and GFCI requirement, each one of these breakers is $60 a piece. So it's 10 times more expensive to put in these special breakers. So it's a little annoying that the code requires some of that, especially when there's a low risk of problems with those specific appliances. But that's the code. So we had to fix it. We fixed it, and we got finaled. So that was that. I think that's about it for our final walkthrough. There's a lot of little odds and ends that I probably should do, but for the most part, this is done. So anyways, hey, I appreciate everybody watching my channel. If you like the content I provide, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button, and click on notifications so you can be notified when I create new content. And like always, if you want to make my kid's day, leave a comment. We'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.